Welcome to my CSR India news. Admitad India extends support to BRM Education and Welfare Society. Admitad India, in a country like India where the literacy rate is 75% and 25% illiteracy rate, CSR initiatives in the education sector has always been the top priority. However, due to COVID-19, we are getting more aware of the importance of education on individuals and organizations levels. To make sure that children's education should not get implicated by pandemics, Amistad India joined hands with BRM Education and Welfare Society, a non-profit organization, Ballabgarh. As a part of the project, the team distributed winter uniforms along with syllabus books to the students of Prerna Public School. Also, students showcased their talents by performing curricular activities like singing patriotic songs. With the aim that every child deserves an education, we were willing to give them as much support as we can. It was such a privilege to spend time with those children and share the happy moment. We are grateful to Prerna Public School's whole faculty for their time and joyful support. We are happy to have Prerna Public School for the initiative and confidence that this collaboration will continue to serve children and communities in the years to come, said Ms. Neha Kulwal, Country Manager, Admitad Affiliate India. Admitad India has always believed in uplifting society in every possible manner and has previously organized a community-level intervention in Delhi NCR to provide essential commodities like food, rations, masks, sanitizers, and hygiene kits amongst migrant laborers and daily wage earners in the slum regions. Furthermore, the organization supported the frontline workers with safety kits including masks, gloves, sanitizers, umbrellas, and water bottles to keep them safe from the scorching heat.